I just got me a Rottweiler.
Ooh, he looks friendly, huh?
Man, nah, he ain't friendly. He's been one of them kid-love motherfuckers.
Holy
Ha, don't believe in God, my dog gonna bite your ass. That's what I'm saying.
Let me take a look at him.
Oh, God, leave me, bastard. I'm gonna kill you, bastard.
He beating up me or the dog?
I'm beating you to death, you motherfucking son of a bitch.
What's the fuck, man?
I hate you, you son of a... Love the Lord.
You are not the man.
No, service is over. I'm just afraid to go through those doors. Since they have those Rottweilers.
Preacher, I'll tell you something. Them Rottweilers is God lovers, brother. If you're an atheist, I would be scared. If you're an atheist, I'd be even more scared to be in here.
Okay? Listen.
Sorry, Father. For I have sinned.
Now,
Put my hand on
you put your hand on my robe.
It's nice. All white and glowing light.
I'm gonna need you to do something about these dogs, okay? Is that
Well, man, it's my dogs. I mean, what do you want me to do with them? They love God. I'm going to leave them home instead of taking them to church. Them God-fearing dogs, man.
They attacked every member of my youth group yesterday, okay?
But let me tell you something about the youth of America. Heathens.
Okay. Right. Fine. I'll live inside the church. That's
Are you telling me you're an atheist? You're scared to go and find out?
Yes. That's what I'm saying, okay?
Oh, I got to sit down for this.
That's my office chair. If I'm gonna sit, that's where I sit, okay?
Well, God ain't going to strike me down. He ain't got no fear of you no more, you atheist.
It's true, I've been slipping, okay?
I don't understand.
Please.
You have a beautiful wife, beautiful house. I mean, the church pays for everything.
I should have complete faith in God.
You know what I was thinking, Mr. Berg?
Did
You should be governor.
you? Damn right I should.
You should run the entire state of Kentucky.
Man, I would probably be the best ever because no one loves God more than me. So I got him on my side.
You love God, and these days that's all we need in the country.
And I can almost do a cartwheel. I mean, that's what people's looking for is how entertaining God was on TV.
You know how to get boats?
I mean, look at Beto, Bubba over there. He's playing the saxophone.
Fuck that. You know how to
What,
get
the
boats?
president of the United States?
You know how to get boats?
I do.
Cartwheels.
I can do like a half a cartwheel. I'm telling you, I've been working on it.
Let's see it.
You said governor in my mind is cartwheel.
Holy shit, Toledo! Well, goddamn, God didn't just pick you out of the sky and put you right here beside
It's
you.
amazing.
I never knew you could do that.
I didn't know either.
Let me touch your ass.
Oh, wait, hang on a minute. The good Lord would never like no
That's
stuff
what I
like that.
said.
It's all, I was just checking your faith. Man, my faith was solid. Good shit. It was solid. Had it for a
I
minute.
had one brick and the other brick, and I had it in my
You
hand.
always going nowhere. No way.
No.
God is protecting these eyes. You are a great, great man to show me how much I do love the Lord.
You are a great, great man to show me how much you can deflect the evil of the Gaelics.
I almost believe I could backflip.
Hey, if you can do that right here without breaking your neck, I would love to see it.
Not fresh off the ground. See, I carry a box with me everywhere I go.
Don't go